Hey guys, I'm back. I am doing a makeup tutorial. Basically, I'm going to use a lot of L'Oreal products. My face has been washed and clean. I just haven't done anything else other than that. And I thought I would share some of my favorite L'Oreal products. There are a few non-L'Oreal things here because I don't like everything in the line, and I've never tried everything in the line, but I wanted to share with you the ones that I have. So let's zoom in and get started. First thing I want to use is the Infallible primer. This is new to me, but I really like it. Let's see if I can get that to... In my brows, this is a non-L'Oreal product. I haven't found a brow product from them that I like really love. And so I'm going to use this from the Beauty Bakery. I will be doing a photo or video about them because I really do like them. And for brows, let me know. I tried one of their brow pencils. The one that I liked, they discontinued, and I haven't tried anything else from the line. I love using this brush. I just recently started using this to do brows with this gel, and I really like it. It helps me comb it and shape it at the same time. But also doesn't hurt that my brows are already shaped. I have two concealers. I have the Pro-Glo. I was trying to grab the Pro Matte one, but they didn't have a shade that I felt like suited me. So I'm going to use this one. I'm not the biggest fan of this one. I'm dropping everything. One, I'm oily, so having a glow is not me. The one that I really like is the True Match, and I'm definitely going to go back and purchase this again. I like the tip of it when it's sharpened because it helps you get into little spots. The only thing is once it goes like round, you can't really sharpen it. You just have to like work with what you have. I was getting low on this. Again, you can see some of the circles underneath my eye. I'm going to use this Pro-Glo for that. They do have correctors. I did not feel like they were deep enough for it to look good on my skin tone, so I didn't get a corrector. See, you can still see doesn't really conceal underneath my eyes, so I'm definitely have to take the foundation to go and do that. It isn't some of the creases of my eye though. Okay, so the eyeshadows that I'm going to be using are powdery, loose pigments is the word I'm looking for. The loose pigments, I'm going to put Beauty Bakery powder all under my eye so that I don't have glittery products all under my eye. Okay, now that I have that done, I need a transition shade, and I like orange, so I'm using this from, who is this from? Morphe. And I'm just going to do one eye, and then I'll come back and see the other eye done. So the first shade I'm going to use is Bottomless Java from the L'Oreal, what is this, Infallibles collection. I really love the Infallibles line. For the outer corner, I'm going to go into Continuous Cocoa. This one is a matte. And then you can already see the fallout a little bit. So I'm just going to do in the outer corners. And then the last eyeshadow that I'm going to be using from the Infallibles, and this one is Amber Rush, and here it is right here. I'm going to take the brush, put a lot, and I'm just going to dab it right in the center. Okay, now that I've done the other eye, I'm going to remove all the extra powder that's under this eye. I'm going to take the Super Slim, the Infallible Super Slim 24-hour eyeliner, and I'm going to give myself a cat eye. For the foundation, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I'm in Soft Sable number 111. To kind of give me a little definition in my face, I'm going to go back with the Pro-Glo, and I'm just going to do the highlighting part. To set it, I want to use my Hourglass powder, and then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro Matte powder, and this one is in Classic Tan. So I'm going to put my lashes on. I'm using just drugstore lashes. There's nothing spectacular about them. I'm trying to get more into using lashes. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I finished with the lashes. The mascara that I use on the lashes is the Voluminous Lash Paradise in the pink bottle. So I use this, and I'm getting slowly better. I'm not perfect with doing the lashes, but I'm slowly getting better. The last thing that I want to use is the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is Less Chocolate. Hold on. This is not the color I thought that it would be, but I'm going to make it work, and I'm going to show you how. And I use a lip liner, which is not a L'Oreal one, but still. It's paler. The Frosted Glass gives you a false impression of what the color is going to be. It's a lot paler than you would think. But it smells like chocolate. Now before y'all go, oh Yolanda, no, 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 no. Watch what a lip liner will do. First, I might have put a little too much. The lip liner that I'm always telling you guys that I absolutely love. It's not a lip liner, but it's a lipstick that I use as a lip liner, and it's from the BH Cosmetic. This is from the Missy Lynn collection, which was limited edition. It's not there anymore if you had a chance. And I'm going to show you how I do that. And one more thing, which is non-L'Oreal, I'm going to use the Too Faced Pink Swoon lip gloss on top of this to kind of tone down the pink. Like I said, when I purchased it, I was looking at the color and I was like, oh, it's going to be a dusty rose. This is not dusty in any shape, form, or fashion, but I feel like if I paid for it, I'm going to find a way of using it. I love the way that this makes it look, and it doesn't look like I've lost my mind putting this lipstick on. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. I feel like if you have the right lip liner, and I'm going to shoot myself in the foot for saying this, but the right gloss, because you know I'm not a gloss girl, then I feel like you can take any lipstick that's not quite you and make it work. But these are the L'Oreal products that I love the most and have been using out of my collection the most. And I just wanted to share with you a look that you could do with L'Oreal products. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have a recommendation for a L'Oreal blush or a highlighter or a lipstick that you think would look really good on a deep skin tone, well, I guess I would be medium deep, then please let me know in the comments below. I have 2 or 3 L'Oreal lipsticks, but again, they're not ones that I want to grab to because I have to do a lot of work to get them to look good on me versus some of the other ones where I can just slip it on and I don't have to wear a lip liner because it just looks good. But other than that, L'Oreal is my boo. So thanks again for watching my video. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I'll check you guys out on the next one. Bye.